Here I have Motorola Moto E22i, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it, can't even unlock your device now. So in this kind of situation what you have to do is to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time like this. In the following menu, you should use volume keys to navigate and select an option recovery mode with power key. When you see this robot and no command message under it, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe data factory reset, then select an option factory data reset, and after that device will be restarted. After you see this data wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now, and now device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.